This cord on the far left, it's your filler cord, and it's going to go all the way across. It's going to turn and come back, and it's going to keep doing that as long as you want your piece to be. Keep that in mind because most likely this cord needs to be longer than these other cords. So take your filler cord like that. The next cord, you want to bring it over top of that filler cord. Now it's going to go around behind and up through that opening. And now you're going to pull it, and that working cord that wrapped around the filler cord, you're going to pull that left. So this piece is going to look vertical at first. Now you're going to take that working cord again. Remember, this is the filler cord. It's going to just keep being the middle of the knots. Now take this cord and you're going to put it over top of the filler cord so the loop is on the right. Now you're going to take it and pull it behind and up through that loop. Now you're going to pull it, and now it's going to be an angle. Take the next cord, put it over top of the filler cord. The loop is going to the right. Take that cord around the back and up through that loop. And now pull. And you can see again the cord is vertical. Take it over the filler cord so the loop is going to the right. Pull it around the back and up through that loop. And now pull it. So you can see how the knots are angled when you're going this way. When you turn your work over, it'll look like double half hitch knots. So that's a way to check if you're doing it right. And you can see these are double half hitch knots. Continue doing your knots like that all the way across. Now I'll turn it over again, and you can see the rows of double half hitch knots. To go in the other direction, the filler cord is now going to go like this. Take the next cord over, and you want to bring it over top, and this is the working cord. And now you want the loop to be on the left hand side because we're going in the other direction. Take the cord around the back and up through that loop. Another trick is you pull that working cord to the right. When you're going the other direction, when you're going from left to right, you are pulling that working cord to the left. Now take that working cord and again put it over so the loop is going to the left. Pull it around the back and then pull it again, pulling that cord to the left. So now your first knot is angled in this direction and they all will be all the way across. The next cord over top, loop to the left, around the back, pull the cord to the left, and you can see again how the knot is vertical on the first loop. Take that cord again, looping to the left, pull it around the back and through, and pull it to the left. There's your first two. And now just continue doing that all the way across. Now I flip it over and you can see again all the double half hitches. Then just repeat going back and forth for as long as you like. For more macrame patterns, watch this tutorial next.